If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to optimize your game and improve stability. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common problems. Step 1. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance game performance and stability. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, GOG, or Epic Games and navigate to the game library. Right-click on Cyberpunk 2077 and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Launch the game and go to the graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings, especially options like ray tracing and resolution. Reducing these settings can help alleviate strain on your system and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming software, or other games can consume system resources and lead to instability. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are not needed while gaming. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Go to the Windows Update settings and check for any pending updates. Keeping your OS updated can resolve compatibility issues and improve your overall system performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.